Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. Today is another double-sided sticky kit. It seems like every time I have these, I don't have quite enough. So there are 5 kits today, and so if you're interested, just send me an email. They are $20, PayPal, and US only because the shipping is included, and shipping overseas is just too expensive. And even if you want to pay the shipping, these are quite heavy. These kits are heavy. So it would just be way too much money. But so what we have here is, this is a new one. I'm not sure if I had these in one of the last kits or not, but I've only seen these just the last 2 times I was there. But this is, I believe it's black. Yep, these are black inside. They're fairly thin. And I grabbed them because of their size. They're just really nice and quite and long. So I thought that they might be good for different type of like die cutting them out. They all kind of have a little bit of a crease in them. I'm not really sure why because I haven't even got a chance to play with them yet. But I think it's just the way they went through the machine. Let's find one that's creased towards the, here's one that's creased by the top. Let's see if that makes any difference. So yeah, it has a little bit of a dent in the double-sided sticky, but it's not cut in half. That's what I was wondering, if there was maybe a cut there, but it doesn't look like there is. So there are 15 of these, of this shape double-sided sticky that are black. And then we have 16, and these are gray inside. So there are 16 of these, and you can see by my hand, they are pretty good size. Let's see, grab my ruler here, and they are approximately 3.5 by approximately 4. So there are 16 of those, and I just take what I get when I get them, and then just kind of divide them up between the 5 kits. So there are 35 of this shape. So, and this is, it almost looks a little bit like a speech bubble. It's got a little tab on each end, but it's kind of got, see, a little bump here on the top and on the bottom with the 2 little tabs. And the nice thing about these ones are you kind of fold them in half, and the plastic splits there in the middle, so you can peel those off. So I think that that's pretty cool. I was just looking to see if the sticky was cut, but it does not look like it is. So we have that shape, and there are 35 of those. And you know, you can use these just for double-sided sticky, whatever you need to stick down. But I'm sure there are a lot of other cool little ideas you can come up with. There are 45 of this white piece of lifting. You know, it lifts up just a little bit. They're not super thick, but they have a little bit of depth to them, and they're just a nice size. So there's 45 of those. And then there are 26 of the ovals, and they're black, and they look like that. So there's 45 of those. There are 10 of these really thin ones, which I believe I had these in the last kit. And this is basically like double-sided cellophane tape. I mean, you know, it's very, very thin. So there are 10 of those, and 10 of the white double-sided sticky, which I believe is the same size as the gray. Yep, it's the same size, but these are white, and they're a little thinner than the gray ones are. So there are 10 of those. And then there are 30 of the sticks. These are double-sided sticks, and they're quite a heavy plastic. I haven't played with these yet either. I did have one person that got them suggest that they'd work great for like your pop-up cards, because they're plastic, like not rubber, but plastic. You know, they're pretty solid. And so there are 30 of these in here. And then there are 10 of the red circles, and, well, they're not red. I believe these are gray or black. Nope, they're black. So there are 10 of the black circles that are just over 3.5. And these ones I've shown you how to make Christmas baubles out of those. And then there are 2 of the large ones, and these are approximately 5 inches, and they're a 1/4 of an inch thick. So, and I use these to make Christmas plat baubles. So, you know, your Christmas balls or bulbs or whatever, that's what I use those for. Then there is a baggie of, these are black double-sided sticky. I don't know if you can see, there's a smaller one there. This one's a little bit bigger, and there may be an oval or 2 in there. I don't see any in this one, but you know, they come in these, you know, baskets, and so you just kind of get what you get. But there's 2 sizes. There's the small size, and then the bigger size is here. So there's 2 sizes of those, or the bigger size is there if you can see it better in the red. And I did count 1 package of these. There was 185 in there. So it's going to be approximately, you know, 180 or 185, whatever. So, because I did not count every single one of these. I did count a packet of these also. These are white. Those are black. These are white. And these are all the same size. And I really do like these ones for, because they're white, and I like the size of them. So I use these with the eyeshadow. And so there was approximately 185 in one of those bags that I counted also. So there is 199 pieces of the regular or larger double-sided sticky, however you would want to say that, and then approximately 185 in each one of those bags, which makes it over 560 pieces in this kit. So, and I just wanted to show you just a couple of little things. So with this a little bit thicker gray, you can die cut them if you have the steel ruled die. So this one is just die cut with glitter on it. They're cute on top of cards or tags or anything like that. And then I have the large 5-inch one. This is what I make with them. And then I put a Christmas sentiment up here, usually in white paint pen. But what I do is I cut a real, I just get some bulbs from the Dollar Tree. Like this. I got this whole great big set of them for $1. And so there's 12 of them there. So I could make, you know, plenty of these. And then you just peel off the non-sticky part and cut it and put some glitter on, and then cut another bit and put some glitter on, and then take the last piece off and put some glitter on. And this is just glued with E6000. Put a chain up and over the top to hold on to it. And like I said, I normally put a Christmas sentiment or something there. And then this one I did put some little flat pack flowers in the middle because there was just too plain in the middle for me. So that's what I do with the round ones a lot. Those ones I take to my craft fairs. And then the little white ones that I really like, I like those with the eyeshadow on them. So this is just copper and gold eyeshadow. And this is just one of the magnetized tuck-ins that we made for our journal. But so I just put 3 of those on there. I could put another one here, but I just like the looks of the 3. And I did it in 2 colors. So I like the way that those look. And all you do is take off the top, put your eyeshadow. This is the kind of eyeshadow that I used from the Dollar Tree. And put your eyeshadow on there. And then I just kind of brush it off a little bit. Then I peel off the back and stick it where I want it on my project. So, and sometimes I'll even, if I know I'm doing some projects, I might do up a few of these in like different colors and everything, maybe do 20 of them or so, and just have them there so I can pick what I want and put it right on my project without having to get out the eyeshadow again. So that is a couple of the things that I do with this kit, or the things in this kit. So if you are interested in this kit, again, it is $20. Oh, I got a little bit of eyeshadow on there. It is $20 USA PayPal only. Send me an email. My email address will be below. I only do it by email, not by eBay comment or YouTube comments, because the YouTube comments don't come in order. So send me an email and I will let you know if you received one or not. And then if you did receive it at that point, then if you would please pay as promptly as you can. So I send them out on Thursdays also. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.